Guys, and welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI presentations with Prezi. Prezi is a very quick, easy to use AI tool that we can use to build better presentation faster with AI. Okay, describe what you need, and Prezi deliver AI studio quality presentation through simple conversations, no text to learn. Okay. So you can just go ahead and let's say try Prezi. You can get started from there and sign in with the Google account. If you noticed, I have created some presentations with Prezi before, so you can just start a preview at one of them. I'm messing hybrid with power, the old advanced in your Gigas Energy generation. So you can just click start presenting. And the best part of Prezi is that it gives you one presentation, but all the others are also embedded inside the same places. So you can just go ahead and click on everything, click on next, and we can see introduction to city. It has given us this, and then we click on the screen, the strength from it. This moving and zooming and out nurture this part NFC very unique and very special. You can see that it's not going to be blank for line based and very fantastic. And we also use these chickens and fantastic presentations that we can deliver some very nicely conceived by the television. They just start on the making go, they can begin first and they can begin to go. Needs this I will bit before trace is begin with it. Very nice. And let's go back to the dashboard. You can upload a file if you want to start from the checking in some EODs logic emphasize again when you use the concept of intentionality. Right. So let's say we created presentation about the application of AI in public speaking. So let's go ahead and click and play. As you can see, it says the presentation is ready. So we can preview and build all the data I refine if you want to do on from the rest preview. You can see it. So this is the presentation. You can see this is one page, but it has lots of other things. You can see that we can easily so you can just click. You can be for screen also. And just this click, you can see you can be moving from one angle to another. And it is smooth movement and relation of some of the companies that actually make the sketching with the things you see. Very nice, very interesting. And the generator, you can use this actually, especially if you have the contents that that you want to introduce as a doubt. You can use this driving, and you can upload up and instead of exploring this and past and weapon. You see the slides and you can show planets that use designs have can be posted before. So let's edit the presentation. Well, let's create the edits immediately that also measure the bill on panel light. And let's say at the change the color then so when you Jupiter giant and good you can do that directly or automatically you can select the content and then you can change the text feature, the size, you can do the lies and the RAM, the string, you can do slowly more good. So let's continue. You do that and when you know this can be set up and you can paste with and during the paste what you can select and the part and the system and you skip string to update the gives the existing board the issue and the runs. It's very easy to kind of change parts directly basically in this and because if our change of the that thing that it be, you can do that start using it to this and be right there. If you are doing everything, you can pump the button, then spell, and you can share. This way, you can make in deliver behind application style. And this happen person then we change the Prezi every time. If spark a Prezi, we can continue with addiction speed. So this concludes this simple tutorial about the label. Those will require a simple get function. I hope you enjoyed this video and parent and see you in the next part. Bye.